Hey baking babes, and welcome back to my channel. This week I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my organic low-fat chewy brownies. These cakey textured brownies are not only organic, but they have the added benefit of also being healthier for you, so you can enjoy them a bit more. So I'm so excited to share this sweet treat with you guys. Stay tuned for the recipe, and if you want full details on the recipe, click the link in the description box. Let's get into the video. So you're going to start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and coating or lining an 8x8 pan. We are going to, of course, sift together our dry ingredients, which include our flour, our cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. So I'm just going to get that all sifted together and then whisk it together so that it's completely combined. So now I'm going to mix together my sugars and oil. You're just going to get it so that it's all completely coated. It does not have to be smooth because it's not enough oil for that. Now it's time to add in our egg whites and extracts. So I'm going to just get that all combined until it is a nice and smooth texture. Be sure to get all the sugar that is on the sides of the bowl, unlike I did, but you want to make sure you incorporate that in as well so that it is evenly mixed. The next step is to incorporate the applesauce. The applesauce is basically the star of this treat. It offers a low-fat alternative to oils and butters that are in traditional brownies, but it also gives it the moistness and chewiness that a regular brownie would have. Now it is time to add the wet and dry ingredients together to make our batter. You want to combine the two until it is just incorporated. You don't want to go any further because you don't want to overbeat your batter. So your batter will still be lumpy for the most part, but that's okay. Now you want to take some of your dark chocolate pieces and add them into the batter. You want to fold them in with your spatula and make sure it's evenly distributed throughout the batter. Now it is time to place our batter in our pan. Make sure that you use your spatula to evenly spread it throughout the pan so that you have evenly sized brownies with an even thickness. After you have spread your batter out, you can just sprinkle the top of it with the rest of the chocolate pieces and then bake for 30 minutes and you are ready to go. So that is it for my organic low-fat brownie recipe. These are a favorite in my house because they are chewy and cakey. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Also, let me know what you guys want to see in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can see more Sweet Treat Saturdays. Thank you guys for watching once again. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!